table pretty.
Okay, so we are raising chickens, and here's Drumstick.
Nope.
And there's KFC. Apparently they like to hang out on my shoulder. So, you know. Anyway, if anybody is interested, I have a buddy who has all kinds of ducklings and gooselings or goslings, I don't know, geese and chickens and all kinds of fun stuff. I'll link his channel in my description here, and you can go check him out and see all the fun things that he's doing with his birds. So yeah, anyway, there they are. They're getting a lot bigger, and they're really just chilling. We're having fun raising chickens. What's up? Drumstick, say hi. No? Here, KFC, say hi. Yeah, good boy. All right.